What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to a place called Duncans Cove. It's about 20-25 minutes outside of Halifax. There is a lighthouse there that's kind of in the middle of nowhere. We're gonna go see if we can get up there with the bike. Now the road that actually leads to the lighthouse, it's blocked off, so no cars can go there, but we're gonna see if we can maybe go around the barrier with the bike. Hopefully we can, because it's a nice spot, a good place to take some pictures of the bike and just the scenery in general. But if for some reason that doesn't work out and we can't you know, go around the little barrier that they got placed there, we're gonna go to a Lookoff. So it's just about another 5-10 minute ride from the actual lighthouse. So we're gonna ride there and check that area out and take you guys with me for a ride, if the lighthouse road is giving us a problem. So stay tuned and we're gonna have some fun. Hopefully my audio is actually coming out nice and clear so you guys can hear me. I'm still trying to figure out this audio setup in my helmet to make it, you know, as good as I possibly can. If some of you ride bikes, you know, let me know in the comments section what kind of bike you got, and also where you're from, man. I'm curious to see where people are tuning in to watch this video and whatnot. And you know, if you do like what you see, make sure you subscribe as well. The ocean is over to the left. Maybe there's a break in the trees here somewhere, and then I'll point my head that way so you guys can check it out. For a sec I thought she was going to continue. I had my brake ready to go. You never know with some people, they can just come right out and not even paying attention. Nice open road, no cars around, hardly any anyways. I love twisty roads, man, oh man, that makes it nice. Feels nice to be on the bike on twisty roads. There's the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Right there. Woo, that was kind of fun. Some nice houses right there. There's actually a lot of nice houses going down this way along the water. All the rich folks. I'm sure they're like doctors, lawyers, and whatever else you can think of. Oh look, there's a barbecue. Anybody want one? Not much longer to go there. Duncans Cove. So this is Duncans Cove right now. We got a little more ways to go down here, and then we're gonna take a left and travel on that road for maybe 2 kilometers, my guess. All right, this is our turn off. It's not too bad on this road. I was going against the wind on the other one, so it made it really chilly. This one's not too bad. During summertime, like, this is a real nice spot to come to. Like, obviously everything's much greener than what it is now, so but we're still gonna go up here, see if we can take some nice pictures. I might come back here summertime as well to kind of show you the difference between now and come, you know, July or August or something like that. I don't know if you can see it off in the distance, right over there. That's the lighthouse. Oh, yeah, almost missed the turn here. All right, so to the left here is where we're at. Let's see. Can we get through here or what? Let's see. I don't think there's no way to get through here. Now if I had like a Honda Gram, could probably definitely go through here, no problem. Street that nobody uses, so things are growing all around it, and if you keep going up, be a real nice spot for some pictures. Man, how can I get through here? Think I can fit the bike through here? Probably not. Why did they have to go put this here? Well, that sucks, guys. Couldn't go up there. If I had a Honda Gram or something, I could definitely do it. I really don't want to chance it with this bike. So I guess now we're gonna go over to the Lookoff. Let's take a left here, see what's up here. Maybe there's something that we can check out. Never been down this way. Wow, if that's a house over there, it looks pretty sick, I must say. We can't do much here, I guess. All right, well, let's go to the Lookoff and check that place out. I cannot wait for warmer weather, let me tell you. My God, as much as I like being on the bike right now, my hands don't like it, my neck doesn't like it. You know, the MT03 is a naked bike, so when the wind hits you, it hits you everywhere. It's all good though, I love my MT03. Some say it's, you know, oh, it doesn't have a lot of power, this and that. I'm like, to hell, man. Who cares what you say, man? I really enjoy this bike, and you know, if I'm sitting at a red light and it turns green, like I leave all the, you know, cars around me in the dust, and that's the most important thing, man. You need to be able to get get out of the way of a situation, you know, if there is a potential danger. There's that barbecue again. If anybody wants it, come get it. What about this? Nope. Someone's private property. It's a nice house. Wow. There's a dog. Slow down. Always got to slow down when there's a dog around. You never know if they'll run out on the road, you know. All right, this is our turn here, I believe. Yeah, this is our turn. It's a nice little community up down here, right by the water, peace and quiet. You're kind of still in the city, but then you're not. I mean, the city is only like a 15-20 minute ride. Ooh, nice Beamer. We're getting close to the Lookoff, so you guys get to see it. I think it's just up here around this turn. Yeah. I guess right here might not be bad, we'll see. Yeah. So this is the Lookoff, right by the water. It's a nice spot to come, you know, sit right here if you want to. All kinds of rocks. Let's go down here, see if we can spot anything. I'm sure you guys can hear the wind going. Yeah, sure. What's up? Yeah, definitely, man. No problem. Do you need? Good? Awesome, no problem. So if you're ever in Halifax, going towards Duncans Cove, I believe another place is called Sambro, if I'm not mistaken. Look up the Lookoff by Duncans Cove and get the directions to come here because it's nice. So that was the Lookoff. It's a nice little spot to come and just sit and chill, maybe have some food or something. So we'll leave it here for now and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.